Unused industrial equipment and process equipment. 6 reasons to sell it. Part 1. Whether you're upgrading your manufacturing gear, downsizing your business, closing a factory, or getting rid of surplus inventory, you'll wind up with useless equipment. There are various compelling reasons to sell obsolete industrial and process equipment, and a liquidation agency may be your best alternative. Professional surplus equipment buyers can help you sell big volumes of obsolete equipment fast, saving you the time and effort of locating clients, negotiating terms, storing items, and coordinating delivery. Here are a half dozen reasons why you should sell your car to a dealer. Cash in hand. Single pieces of machinery, truckloads of components, or full plants can all be purchased from reputable equipment liquidation companies. Selling industrial equipment to a dealer is simple, quick, and puts money in your pocket right away. The sale of excess equipment allows you to recuperate part of your initial investment, allowing you to invest in other areas of your organization. The amount you get back depends on the sort of equipment you're selling, as well as its age and condition. Free up wasted space. Processing equipment that isn't being utilized takes up a lot of space, taking up space that might be used for completed product inventories, shipping and receiving, production staging, and other mission-critical products and duties. These big pieces of gear and equipment are frequently burdened with wires and hoses that can provide tripping hazards and sharp edges that can hurt employees and destroy more useful equipment and raw materials. Keeping extra inventory costs money in a variety of ways. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.